Hello, YouTube. It's your main man BTM here, bringing you back to the Black Tiger Miner YouTube channel. Let's go. And it's turbo turn up time. So this is the turbo rewind where we go through all the things that happened previously in the Turbo Toad universe. This is the Turbo Toad central office, the Turbo Toad main hub. So we're going through turbo business. Turbo is on the verge of a massive pump. It's coming, guys. Just continue to hold on. Diamond hand, right? It's not financial advice, but turbo pump is coming. So thanks for joining. Go ahead and like, share, and subscribe. And let's get to business. Turbo Toad turn up. Let's go. Let's go. It's turbo turn up time. Remember, turbo, 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 turbo. Shout out to the Turbo Revolution, the Turbo Toad Army, the Turbo Toad Warriors, and Turbo Turn Up. Let's go. Turbo Turn Up. Let's go. So let me know. Put a 77 in the chat if you're down with the Turbo or down with the Toad. So first order of business is the Roaring Toady posted a main man Freeman finance and crypto account got hacked, his X account. So he's still good to post YouTubes. I talked to him earlier, getting things situated, getting things squared away. So we are copacetic, right? Somebody tried it but didn't get in. It's not a problem until it's a problem. You don't want this kind of problem. So let's go. What is up, P? What's up, my main man? 777. I like it. So this is the actual announcement from
Guys, this is Freeman Finance. Please share this video. My ex has been hacked. The scammers are sending links to everyone, fake DMs, asking them to do AMAs and come up. Guys, I hate that this is happening. I'm trying to secure everything, but do not think I'll be able to get the X account hacked. Please block Finance Freeman X account, guys. Report it. Please share this video. Let's let people know that I was hacked. I don't want anyone getting scammed. Please. Guys, this is Freeman Finance. Please this video. My ex been hacked. The scammers are sending links to everyone, fake DMs, asking them to do AMAs and come up. Guys, I hate that this is happening. I'm trying to secure everything, but do not think I'll be able to get the X account hacked. Please block Finance Freeman X account, guys. Report it. Please share this video. Let's let people know I was hacked. I don't.
So shout out to my main man Freeman. His X account got hacked, but we are live. What's up, TJ? I see you back out here, back out in these crypto streets. Let's go. But I did talk to the team over at Turbo Toad Token, the actual Turbo page, and they said they are copacetic also. They said everything's locked down tight. You wouldn't even be able to get in if you wanted to. I said they got a Fort Knox over there, so don't worry. The Turbo Toad token is safe. Freeman will get his account situated, and we're back in business. But if there's any questions, hit us up page. You give me a message, or you can send the Turbo Toad Army or Turbo Toad token or the Turbo Revolutions. Let us know, especially if you see anything suspicious, any crazy activity, anything scams. Let us know so we can act. We don't want you guys losing your money or getting caught up in any shenanigans, right? We don't want anything suspect to happen because we're trying to rebuild the community. We don't want to be out here with all kind of felonious and scams and scammers. So if you see something, say something. Be vigilant. Let us know what's going on if you do see something so we can check it out, right? Just trying to keep you guys safe, away from scammers, and having a productive community. What is up? Ha ha, wow, wow. Where you been? Why is Turbo down? We'll get to that in a minute. But Turbo is about to have a huge pump, right? Generally, before most pumps, it pulls back a little bit, right? It's got to get that fuel to take off. And we'll get to the numbers shortly and just checking to see. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And hit your boy with the super chats. Just making sure the sound's good. Oh, yeah, we live. We all the way live. So what's up? If you're here for Turbo Token, put a 77 in the chat. So moving forward, gonna look at the Twitter for a minute. So this is Turbo Tracker, interested in Turbo Tracker exclusive NFT collection, commemorative upcoming time and historic importance. So that would be uh pretty profitable. Actually, it might be pretty good. This is not financial advice, but I'm definitely picking up an NFT. Might even have a Black Tiger Miner NFT. I think that'd be cool too. But I'm definitely going to hit up my main man, Turbo Tracker. And while we're on it, don't forget to support the Turbo Tracker page, right? Trying to keep the numbers up for you guys. So go ahead and donate and let me know what you think, what you like, what you don't like. We can fix it, we can change it. But shout out to my main man, Turbo Tracker. Currently, Turbo 0063 holders is at 39,000. We mentioned we might do something big for 40,000, but 40,000 is coming quick. So unless we get it planned by this Friday, I don't know if we're going to make it. 40,000 is coming quick. And also, this pump for Binance ain't even happened yet, right? You guys don't even understand how big this Binance is about to be. You're going to see it. And when you see it, you're going to be like, oh, wow, that's what BTM was talking about. The pump hasn't even started. I told you guys, we're going to get up to 500 million market cap by October, or maybe by the end of October, because October is like next week. But 500 million market cap by the end of October, put it that way. By the end of October, I told you guys it was going to hit 400 million. We're at 400 million. I said it was going to hit 450. We haven't quite got there yet, but we are at, oh, wow, we went down. We were at 400 million. So now we're at 395.6 million. I don't know what happened. We're still up 6%, up 35% in the last 7 days, 31% in the last 30, 18% in the last 90, and 9,037 in the last year. So Turbo is still there at 0057 for the low, 0065 for the high. And if we look at the, what is this? The day chart, you see here, Turbo pumps and pulls back and pumps. See here, it pulled back and it pumped. Right here, it came down. It pumped a little bit, came down, pumped up a little bit, came down a little bit, and pumped up. So as Arch says, it's the fake out before the breakout. Stocks in crypto have to pull back before it can pump, right? If you look at even historically, right, it's always a down and then it comes up, right? It's always a slight down, then it comes up. And if you've noticed, let's see here, Turbo has been holding steady on this resistance line, right? We popped up, we came down below resistance, we popped up again, and we're right above resistance. So either we're going to hit resistance and get a huge candle and pump on up to this resistance of 7. Told you guys by what was it? What did I say? We should be at 008 by October, sometime in October. So we should be pumping back up to that 007 soon or by this weekend. I think it's the end of the month. People are about to get paid. Binance is listing. You're really going to see that full potential of the Binance listing come this weekend, the 23rd. Now, next week, the 30th, next Monday. So this weekend and Monday, it feels good to be back. Welcome back, TJ. Should I hold? Haha. Definitely hold. Dude, don't ever come in here talking about we're never selling, bro. We're never selling. We're not selling at least until I don't know. Some of you guys are gonna probably drop out of 1 cent, but I'm trying to get to at least 25 to 30 cents before I do anything, any kind of profit taking. And it's gonna come faster than you think with this Binance listing. You guys are definitely underestimating that partnership with Binance. Sell at least 2 pennies. Maybe, I don't know. But you guys are definitely not fully understanding how big Binance is and how big of a change that's going to be to the daily volume and the all-time high. What is this? Is it crypto? Coin market cap. Binance is definitely going to be a heck of a push, guys. Let me see here. It's just that Binance hasn't got to the full potential of the partnership yet. And keep in mind, there is a conference coming up in Singapore, and I guess these guys are going to hit the streets hard because there might be something they can work out with all the companies and businesses and vendors and other projects that'll be there. So stay posted. Maybe Turbo Toad's about to come up big off that Singapore conference. Wish I was going, be in the building, right? Trying to negotiate the deals, but we'll see, right? What is it? I'm tripping. I'm supposed to be looking for market cap. What am I? Exchanges. Where is it? Exchanges, yeah. Puna. I was thinking the same thing, at least 30 cents before any sales. My conviction is strong. So you see here, crypto, top crypto spot exchanges. Number one is Binance. That boy, that banger, the biggest thing in crypto. Binance is moving it. If you're on Binance, you are legit. Number two is Coinbase. And there's not very many meme coins on Coinbase, first off. A lot of people are pushing to get it on Coinbase. If Turbo gets on Coinbase, it's game over, bro. It is game over. We are shutting down Twitter, bro. That'll be the top two exchanges. So the US and worldwide would have access to Turbo, bro. We're gonna be superstars, straight up. And then OKX, Bybit, Upbit, Creighton, Gate.io, and HTX. But this is big, right? One of the videos, this guy's going to talk about what average liquidity means and break it down for us. But 24-hour trading volume, what is that? Billion? 14.4 billion? Let's see. Yeah, 14.4 billion would it be, right? Nobody's even doing 10 billion. So when the swing happens and the push hits on Binance and the Binance folks buy in, we get a little more notoriety about the project and get the interest up, right? The Binance hits, it's 14 billion that hadn't even touched Turbo yet, right? This is going to be probably the biggest holder of Turbo once this push happens. The push is going to happen. People are going to get crazy. FOMO is going to set in. Your mom's brothers, your mom's sisters, boyfriend's barber is going to be selling Turbo t-shirts at the barbershop. I'm telling you guys, you are early to the party. Look at the 15-minute chart. 15-minute chart is flat. We are holding that resistance line like pancakes at Waffle House, holding it all the way down, bro. Look at that. 15-minute chart. We've been on this thing all day since, what is this? Thursday? All on the resistance line. Dropped down a little bit, pumped up. Some came right back down and hit it. So as Art said, this might be the fake out before the breakout. Let's go. Turbo Toad, turn up. Let's go to Freeman. Let's see what else is on Twitter before we get into the numbers. Turbo Charge, let's go. Time to fly. And I can't tell if he's flying backwards or if he's flying forward. And if this is a helmet or a moon, but it's actually a pretty good image. I like the shuttle there. It's pretty awesome. Faceless Trader, Turbo's trying to break out. So I'm trying to tell you guys, we are on the edge of the breakout. This is what's called the fake out. And some people sail on the fake out and miss out on the breakout. We are on the verge of a huge pump, guys. I'm telling you, I don't want to get you too hyped up, right? I want to say this week or within sometime by the end of September. I don't know when, whenever the market pumps from payday checks, right? Whenever people start investing, people are going to see it and start probably investing. I guess at the end of the month, definitely by the 30th. So you're going to see a pump. Roaring Toady, let's pump that Turbo Deer Bull. Good morning, Turbo crew. Grab a coffee and enjoy the interstellar view from space. capsule as we lift off the green candle to start the week. It's not just the morning, it's a dawn of an adventure of the vast crypto. And shout out to my man Freeman. This is messed up. He posted this and then something happened. This looks like yesterday. And the account got hacked yesterday. I mean, this morning, I think. But autism is near and dear to my heart. Turbo Toad and Freeman Finance are doing part to spread autism awareness. Sorry, autism awareness. Picking up all the pieces for this historic bull run. So shout out to Freeman Finance and autism and the autism awareness. A lot of people have autism, a lot of kids, and it affects just the whole community, not just the family and the parents, but everyone around because there's a lot more responsibility. So shout out to all the autism warriors. We're here to help. Just let us know. And that's actually a pretty cool little turbo heart thing for autism awareness. Royal official raiment. That's a pretty cool picture. I like the Nikes. Mikey likes the Nikes. Let's go. This is Miss Infinity on ETH. So as you can see, the ETH people, you know what I'm saying? The ETH is the actual token that the Turbo Toad coin is based on. So when ETH pumps, you best believe Turbo's gonna get a piece of that and ride it up. Turbo community calls for Coinbase to spot list Turbo Toad token. Highly positive community and super organized. Bring the loving toads to avoid inevitable ecstasy of disappointment. Radiant. Interesting. Shout out to Turbo Tracker. The number has surpassed 39,000. We're looking for 40,000. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the super chat. We're getting some super chats lately. I'm trying to keep the lights on. You guys are keeping the lights on. So now we're trying to get a new camera, right? Trying to rebuild the community. Shout out to everyone who joined the super chat, who joined the live. And let me know, what do you think Turbo will hit by the end of October? We'll just keep it easy. We'll stick with October for right now. This is Sam Yu, more Coinbase, the leading meme coin, over 80 exchanges, which is kind of mind blowing if you think about it, right? I'm used to like maybe 5 or 10. Turbo's on 70 exchanges. I'm not even sure they even need Coinbase. Just getting that pump from Binance should be enough. Turbo tokens, my main man, crypto now or never. You watch his videos all the time. See what he's talking about. Did I get this video? I don't know if this video is on here. Linsanity. Big ups to the Turbo community, your grit, creativity, and drive. Keep the Turbo train rolling. Every leap we take is powered by you. Keep shining and hoping forward. Hopping forward. You're the real MVP. What is up, Dave? Turbo turn up. Turbo turn up time. Let's go. Let's go. It's turbo turn up time. Remember, turbo, turbo, turbo. And this is Warren Kitty about listing on Upbit. And this is KRC20. And this is and Law Professor's Turbo Knows It. I was going to use this as a thumbnail. This is a pretty cool shot with the Law Toad or Turbo Load, but I'm definitely going to use that. So keep an eye open for that one. Haven't heard you're in the need of a solid goalkeeper to straighten out Yansky. What? Hang up the gloves for good. There's a new rising star, Turbo, whose form is outstanding and value skyrocketing. Don't wait too long to invest in him. And this is the KRC20 video. And this is Turbo bear hunting. So shout out to the Turbo Toad community. The Turbo Toad turn up. Let's go. 39,043. So yeah, Binance is going to do a lot more with this pump, guys. We are just on the beginning. We're on the edge of seeing Binance full capability. And let's see here, still rolling around resistance. RSI is down. We had a green candle. We got a MACD cross. So there might be some pumping coming on tonight, ladies and gentlemen. Let me see. Close some couple windows out before we get to the videos. Look at the crypto bubble real quick and we can shut that down. What's going on with the bubble? You can do that. Let's go shut the tracker down as well. Wait, are we up? That's what okay, here we go. Finally, it's happening. Mickey's up 12%. ALI's up 10.5. Lone Wolf, check it out, 5.9. If you didn't see it, check it out. Kinu Indu is up 4.2. KCS 5.1. Stats 5.2. Hoppy 3.3. Osmosis 3.8. Prime 15. I might look into Prime. Jasmine's up 4%. Cat in the Dog's World 9.5. Near 10.5. AI Tech 9.9. Mariah 8.6. Arkham is up and down 9.5. Monero's down 3. Calvin Hat's down 5. Ladies down 3. Turbo is up 4.8. Let's go. Turbo Toad turn up. Ingest up 1.8. Blur's up 1.6. Brett is down 3.9. KDA is down. They changed their label again? What the? Back to the green label, I see. I don't know. I don't like the green label. I don't know what you guys are insinuating, but we'll leave it alone for now. Ethereum is 2.3. Solana's up 1.7. Quant's up 2.6. Archblock 1.8. Rose is down 0.8. Gala's down 3.7. Popcat's down 3.8. So let's shut the bubbles down. And let's click this first video. Is this my man? This guy's hilarious. This is what I think it is. About the way this fool says a million. Yeah, this is him. Yes.
Welcome to Iron Beam, the future of futures trading. With our cutting-edge chart trading feature and 300 plus indicators.
What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Gonna go over our friend Turbo. Nice pump following our analysis, sitting at 0.00655, up 16% on the day. Market cap 419 million. 24-hour volume 149 million. So if we look at Turbo, we pushed up in our wave 3, we pulled back in a wave 4, and now it looks like we're pushing up in a wave 5. So do expect price to push in between 0.00707 and 0.00805 in a wave 5, and then we should see a decent size pullback before continuation. Of course, it's a meme coin, so it can just explode at any time, but that's what we're looking at from an Elliott wave perspective. And of course, we have that larger wave 3 target with the wave count off the bottom here, off the bear market low. And that wave 3 target is all the way up at 0.019. So that's pretty much it for this update. We pushed beautifully up in our wave 3, and then you have an A, B, C down in a 4, and now it looks like we're pushing up in the wave 5. So do look for price to enter that target zone before seeing a larger pullback, in my opinion. That's what I'm looking at for Turbo. Make sure to sign up to Bitfinex. No KYC, no VPN all around the world, including North America, one of the few exchanges you can trade futures in North America. 10% back on every single one of your trade on your fees when you sign up through my link. Top of the comments, make sure to join my free Discord, which include my daily crypto analysis, as well as my Forex signals. All links down below. Go check them out. Smash up that like button, subscribe if you're new.
Everybody has the free Discord, I see. But don't forget to sign up for the Black Tiger Manga Discord. Quick shout out there. It's on the Twitter page. You can see it in the link. Let me know what you think. And follow us for
There's
We'll
never
watch
been a more exciting time to be a part of the Turbo family. And make sure you watch this video all the way through because it's really going to put things into perspective on just how big Turbo is going to be. And before we get
So what did I tell you previously? Back in the spring, I told you guys, as Turbo gets bigger, you're going to have bigger influencers talking about Turbo. Turbo is going to be on everybody's tongue. And that's what we want, to get more buy-in at places like Binance, right? We need that word in these streets so Binance can buy in, right? We can get more holders, get noobs, get normies to FOMO in, right? I'm not saying we're dumping on them, but we need them to keep the price. If we hold where we're at and they add on, we're just going to keep pumping the price and watch the pump rise. Let's get back to my main man, my crypto journey.
get started, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know what you think about everything in the comments down below. I want to hear from you guys. But without further ado, let's get into it. So the big news is that Turbo just got listed on Binance. Now, this is a huge deal. Now, a little honorable mention is the fact that they also got listed on KuCoin. So Binance and KuCoin are juggernauts in the crypto space. But let me tell you a little something about Binance, because this is absolutely insane. Now, if we take a look at the top cryptocurrency exchanges in the space, when it comes to exchange score, and I'll explain the difference between score and trading volume here in a second, Binance is number one. Now, exchange score is based on a few different metrics. CoinMarketCap, this is a company actually owned by Binance, but it rates these exchanges pretty much just by trust and how legit some of the volume is, because some of these centralized exchanges lie about those sorts of things. So when it comes to exchange score, we have number one, and of course the one we all know is Coinbase, especially if you're American, right? But when we go to daily trading volume, check out Binance. They are responsible for pretty much $16 billion of daily trading volume, and this is before the market really is starting to pump. The second best is BTX Exchange, and they don't have the best exchange score, so we don't even know if this volume is completely legit, right? So Binance is the number one exchange in the world by score and volume. But what does this mean? Why is this so important? Before I explain how insanely important this is, if you just go down, remember, they got listed on KuCoin too. KuCoin is the number 10 centralized exchange in the world. So Turbo getting listed on two of the top 10 exchanges in the world, and of course, number one being Binance. So why is this so important? Well, here's the thing, guys. When the bull market actually starts to kick back in, because contrary to popular belief, the bull market isn't here just yet. We don't have the crazy, insane amount of retail investors in the crypto space just yet, but we will. And when they do get in here, they're going to open up their phone and they're going to look at their centralized exchange and buy whatever meme coin is hot. And right now, Turbo has been hot even without a crazy, massive crypto influx. The truth is, there's a lot of recycled money in the crypto space right now. It's not new money coming in. And there's a lot of different factors, big factors when it comes to the economy as a whole. And if I explain that, it'll probably bore you guys. But the truth is, there's no real new money coming into crypto just yet, unless it's Bitcoin or Ethereum. But the meme coin space, it's all recycled money. The truth is, a lot of people are going to open up their phones and they're going to open up their centralized exchange and buy the hot meme coin. Like I mentioned before, Turbo's been a hot meme coin for a while. A lot of us, we will use decentralized exchanges like Uniswap or maybe some other centralized exchanges. But what this does is this puts Turbo in front of more people, more eyes, right? The more eyes, the better. And being on the number one exchange in the world, and now KuCoin, the number 10 exchange in the world, is just extremely bullish for Turbo going forward, because it's going to give people an easier way to buy Turbo and obviously pump the bags of the people like you and me who have been in this project for a long time already. I mean, we're already currently sitting at a $400 million market cap size. And when you go to markets and you check out all the centralized, markets, and you check out all these centralized exchanges that we're already listed on, I mean, look at these pretty much juggernauts, right? Binance, OKX, Kraken, Gate.io, HTX, Bitfinex, KuCoin, MEXC, BitGet, Crypto.com. Really, the only exchange missing is Coinbase. And to be honest, I'm not sure if Turbo will ever get listed on Coinbase, just because Coinbase has only listed 3 meme coins so far, which is Doge, SHIB, and Bonk. And 2 of those meme coins have use case. So I think Coinbase may be looking for some use case. Who knows? Maybe Turbo will get some use case down the road, some utility, and they would list it. But that's insane. More eyes are going to be on Turbo when the market starts to pump. So this is extremely bullish and extremely exciting. And if you're in Turbo right now, you should be excited for the future. And I mean, we already have people making predictions. Check this out. People were comparing, right, different meme coins to other meme coins. And a lot of people were comparing Turbo to Shiba Inu. Now, SHIB at its all-time high hit a $40 billion market cap size, which is about a 90-something X from where Turbo is right now. So take whatever you have, times that by 90, and that's the upside for Turbo. And who knows, it could be higher. So it's a 119X. I said 90 something, so 119X. And obviously the price fluctuates and those sorts of things. And it would put Turbo at 59 cents, which is absolutely insane. So I wanted to make this video for you guys to put things into perspective of just how bullish this is going forward. So hats off to the Turbo team, hats off to the Turbo community, hats off to everyone who's been trying to get this project from where it was to where it's at now. Because if you think about it, this is the wonder of the DeFi space, but more specifically meme coins. Why? This thing launched last year in the middle of a bear market with the Pepe hype, right? The frog hype. It did nothing for months. And out of nowhere, it hit these insane all-time highs. So that's the beauty of meme coins. That's the power of meme coins and community. And you guys make it all happen. So let me know what you think in the comments down below. I'm very interested to hear your opinions. Remember to like, subscribe, share, all that good stuff. And I'll see you in the next one.
I think that was a pretty good video from a main man. My crypto journey. I think he has a token as well. So if you get a chance, check him out. And he is now apparently talking about Turbo, which is cool. We want more people to come to the Turbo Toad community, be part of the Turbo Toad turn up. I'm just trying to rebuild my community. Let's go. It's Turbo turn up time. Remember, Turbo, Turbo, Turbo. Shout out to the Turbo Revolution, the Turbo Toad Army, the Turbo Toad Warriors, and Turbo Turn Up. Let's go. Turbo Turn Up time. And before we get to this video, I got a quick article I wanted to show you guys real quick. We see here, waiting for this to start so I can pause it. So this is bingo. Let me see. SEC, U.S. SEC Coinbase clash in court over crypto rulemaking. So it seems that Coinbase is, I guess, appealing the SEC. Coinbase in the United States securities regulations faced off in federal court in Philadelphia on Monday as the cryptocurrency exchange pressed the agency to create new rules for digital assets. So that's what I'm saying. The whole time, the SEC has been fighting crypto every step of the way. It's like they have us looking this way when they're working that way, right? So while we're looking this way, they got us working on things over here, right? Like the whole thing with Bitcoin. All this time, the banks have adopted them, right? And the banks are now.
My name's Olivier Jenkins. I'm the Power Platform Solution Architect. I recently joined PwC as a senior manager working within the Microsoft community of practice,
Where is this playing
but more specifically as a Power Platform technical lead, working with both internal and external stakeholders.
That's weird.
In my line of business, which is a pretty...
Okay, so yeah, back to the article. So with the Coinbase, largest U.S. crypto exchange, sued the SEC last year in an effort to compel the regulators to act on a petition for rulemaking Coinbase filed in 2022. In a petition, it is argued to the SEC provide clarity on circumstances under which a digital asset is a security and create a new market structure framework comparable with cryptocurrency. And they've been stalling this out because they don't want to get the framework there, because they don't want to say that Coinbase can operate freely in the U.S. government, right? The SEC denied Coinbase's petition for new ruling in December, saying it's fundamentally disagreed with the current regulations are unworkable for the crypto sector. Monday asked the federal appeals court to overturn the denial, saying SEC has made it impossible for crypto firms operating to comply in the U.S. So this is big, right? Right before the election, Coinbase says that the SEC won't give cryptocurrency framework to operate, right? So as this goes down, whenever the new president, whoever it is, Kamala or Trump, they're gonna have to do something with the crypto regulation, which will also pump the market, which you'll see in November, December. Even if Kamala Harris gets in office, they are currently working on plans to get crypto regulated. And you know, Trump and Elon are avid crypto supporters. So either way it go, the crypto now will definitely not go in the future, right? Things are going to change drastically. And I think this is probably smart of Coinbase getting the petition already started. So people are thinking about it as you go into the election. So let's go to this video. Who is this? Crypto Mindset. Is it who's I think it is? This is the funny guy. This is my
Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Today we're going to talk turbo. We're going to give you an update on the weekly candle bar, on the stochastic RSI, and on everything you need to know about turbo. Man, smash the like, leave a comment, subscribe to the channel. Subscribe to this channel, click the bell because this is the money channel. We always give you the money. Okay, let's dive into it. So first of all, okay, turbo. Look at this, man. Look what it's doing. Okay, look what it's doing now. We're going to start with the smaller time frame. Okay, you had a breakout here. Okay, and then it looks like it did a retest. You can see you had a breakout above this downward trend. Then you had 1, 2, 3, 4 candles daily chart retest, and boom, look at that. Zooming in. Okay, because it looks like a retest here. Again, nothing is guaranteed. Okay, obviously it can pull back below, collapse completely, but this looks like to me like a retest. Okay, and we might start and advance from here. You can see a nice consolidation retest of the 5, 5, 3 major area of support, the trend line, and hopefully we're going to see a big bounce from here. Now, if it can take that high, we're looking for a move to the 78 and definitely to the 90s, to the high 90s, and to the 1, man, to the 1, and hopefully break above the 1. But we're going to keep it posted. Subscribe to this channel. So first of all, let's look on the weekly, man. Weekly bar, very, very important. Oh, sorry about that. Weekly bar, very, very, very important. Look at the stock. Let's look on the stochastic RSI. We got a signal. Yes, you can see the cross back up on the stochastic. You can see the 2 lines crossing back up into the bullish territories. That's a new bullish swing. The stochastic RSI is saying we're going up. Let's see if Bitcoin will allow. Okay, when you trade altcoins, you have the chart of the coin itself, but you always need to pay attention for Bitcoin. Bitcoin allowing, and it's not dumping. Turbo should moon, man. Turbo should moon. Every time you get a weekly stochastic RSI cross, something big is coming for turbo. Okay, so you got the signal here, and you got a very nice.
Yes, you heard him right. Something big is coming for turbo. Like I've been trying to tell you guys, this Binance thing is starting, but it ain't really happened yet. Once the interest is there and there is more momentum, right? We're going to see some price action on that momentum. And I think, like he said with the RSI, sarcastic RSI, and I was showing you earlier with the MACD crossing, right? I think there's turbo is going to hit this resistance. It's either going to go down, which a couple people are saying, but I think it's going to hit it and bounce up to the 007, right? And then from there, we're going to keep pushing on up from 007 all the way up to this 0809 and then on the 1 cent, right? It's going to gradually pull back and then push on up. We're just waiting for whatever happens with this SEC thing and Coinbase and watch that momentum push from there. Let's look at the DEX tools real quick before we get back to my main man's video. See what's going on. What is it? DEX tools. Down. Actually, Or waiting. Got too many windows open. I don't know why this always goes to. So this is Turbo up 2%. I want to look at the actual trades. Looks like people are selling a lot of, what is this, dolphins? What are these? Yeah, a lot of dolphins selling. Let's check the whale activity as we always do. So it looks like a whale sold. Wow. Somebody bought 59,000, 9.1 thousand turbo tokens today at 10 in the morning, 17,000, 11,000. Actually, no. Somebody bought 50,000 today. Somebody sold 16,000. Interesting. So not too much activity. What is that? 2 on the day? Looks like 2 every day, but the 21st and the 20th. But let's get back to the video. Let me see, where are we? This guy, yeah.
Bar. We got the bar. What the F, man? 1 second. Sir, smash the like, leave a comment, sir. Sir, smash the like, leave a comment. You see here, the nice bar here. Nice bar with a little tail on top. Pointing up, man. Up. We want to go up. We're going to keep you posted how it closed this weekly candle. Okay, smash the like. Let's show you the Bitcoin chart, the Turbo BTC chart. Let's look at this one. Sir, smash the like, leave a comment. Join a community of traders, man. Don't waste this bull run. This bull run, we don't know if it's going to be 2 weeks, 4 weeks, 8 weeks, or 3 months. We don't know. But you want to milk the bull run, because if you're not making money now, you're in pathetic, horrific coins. Really, you need to be in the right coins. Okay, look at that. The BTC pair, very similar to the dollar pair. Really, nothing major. You can see it as well. Another retest here. We need to break above this level and take that level, man. So let's go back to the dollar. Look on the moving averages. Moving average, obviously we're above the moving averages. Yeah, man. Really, we're looking for a move today. We're looking for a move today and a pump to test the highs, the 80s, and breakout. Hopefully, we can break above this level and start taking the highs and go into new price discovery mode for Turbo. Let's look quickly on BTC. Let's look quickly on BTC here. BTC trying to break the 200-day, mate. This is major. If Bitcoin can break above the 200-day, hold above the 200-day, altcoins will go bazooka. Some of them, not all of them. All of them, most of them are total rubbish. You want to know which coin to trade, not hodl, trade. Okay, Bitcoin dominance as well, pulling back. So we want to see, we should see more altcoin strength. You can see the dominance start. Looks like it's topping out. You want to see the dominance lose this level and take that level and the trend line. This will take a while, but pay attention to this chart. So smash the like, leave a comment. Let me show you where we bought Turbo, man. We're printing dinero, so show you the Turbo chart. Where is the Turbo, man? Turbo. Just share another alert, man. So join the community, man. We're buying more now, and we're buying breakouts as well. Learn how to buy breakouts. Look at the first Turbo, man. Turbo Palm. Where was the Turbo? August 15. Sorry about that. Okay, it's September 9. Look at this one. Buy some now, 38 and 39, man. All these trades, we bought at 41, we bought at 39, we bought also add-on recently. Show you, man. Look at this. Look at this. Turbo, man, free money. Free effing money, and we're adding more. We're adding more. Ooh. Oh, just get listed on Binance, man. It can really go bazooka. It can, and on Turbo, it can, on the KuCoin, it can really go bazooka, man. This was our entry, man. While you were slipping, we bought on the bottom here, on the 39, 38, and 41. Okay, these were our major entries, and then we added more here, man. I think we added more here. Oh, recently on the 55, man. added more here, 55, then we added here a little bit, and we added more here, man. This is pyramid trading. We have nice bags of turbo, already hit multiple targets. Look at this, look at his gains, man. Max gain 75%. This one, it should go higher, man. It should go higher. You have 50% gain from here, from the last one, sorry, more. 60%, you get me, man. 60, 70, 80% gains on trades of his turbo. We're buying more. Man, all the bags are in the money. Look at this. Look at this. Cloud already realized 1.5, unrealized 2.5 turbo. On this one, I have realized almost 3K, unrealized 1K, adding more. I have more add-on on the breakouts, man. FTM as well, nice little trades. Look at this one. We're trading Sui, very nice gains. TRX, fat. We have very nice gains coming, man. Sir, if you want to join our community, come make money with us consistently. Be a trader, not a hodler. Make money, take money from the crypto markets repeatedly, and then throw it to your bank account. Click on the link below, man. Click on the link below. Where is my link? This is my link. Choose a tier. So we do market updates every day. Trade alerts coming now every day, man, because we're now in a mini crypto run. Trade alerts coming, every day, every other day. Some days you get 2 trades, 3 trades. Some days you get no trades because the market consolidating or there is no proper entry. Okay, you want to be in a service that give you trade alerts, trade alerts, and watch your back, give you market updates every day. Watch your effing back all day. You don't want to be in a community of baby boys with skirts that just telling you, hold these 50 coins till 2025. And
hey guys, what is up? Hope everyone is doing well. Hope everyone's having an amazing day because...
Yeah, this is the next video I was going to see, but looks like we're going just a commercial there for the end of that video. So no worries, we're going to move on. But I wanted to check something before. I was looking for a video. Actually, let me see. Who is this guy? Looks like Crypto John's making videos again. Interesting. Oh yeah, Ro. I think Ro just released a video. See here. I think I got a notification. Let's see what's popping. I guess not. Thought I could have sworn I just saw a video. That's weird. Let me see. But I guess this is Gossiper. Gossiper. Which I think is crazy. Just not bad crazy, just the name Gossiper. That's pretty cool. Let me see. Did he release a video? Let's see what's going on here before. Shout out to the Turbo Toad Warriors, the Turbo Toad Army. Let's go. Let's see here. That is weird. What is going on? Okay, there we go.
Okay, everyone, look no further. This is the only crypto exit strategy video.
That is weird. Why is... Okay, there's a video here. I thought it was a video. Thought I saw a notification. Let's see here. Real quick.
Rule number 3, you can't get rich slow. When I owned 100 houses.
Interesting.
What is going on, Turbo family? Hope you guys are having a beautiful and a blessed day. Listen, guys, the price is back up, market cap over 400 million, and I'm super excited to be bringing you guys this video. Listen, before we hop into it, if you're new, please hit the subscribe button. Listen, we recently hit 5K, and I'm trying to get to 10K before the end of the year. So if you guys could do me a favor, take 2 seconds out of your day, hit the subscribe button. I post 3 times a day, guys. I've been covering Turbo consistently for the past 4 or 5 months, and I will greatly appreciate any type of support that you that you guys could give me. With all that being said, guys, I'm really excited to hop into today's video. The reason I make these videos is because, listen, I was that viewer. I was in your guys' shoes back in 2021, and I always liked when YouTubers that I subscribe to, when they cover my tokens, right? And Turbo, I've been covering it for a really long time now. It's basically like my kid, and I'm not gonna go a day without covering it, right? Like, I don't even have a kid, but you get the analogy. Anyways, let's hop into today's video. Currently trading at 206232, market cap up 13%. Bro, the volume is astronomical, up 114% in the last 24 hours. This thing doubled, guys, in 24 hours. How much money is coming into these markets for Turbo right now? Like, whoever's buying this, you need to tell me, because, like, dang, bro, Binance volume is off the charts right now. It is crazy, the amount of people that are coming into the market solely just because it's accessible on a tier 1 like Binance. Now, Binance is probably the biggest tier 1 exchange listing in the world, right? Or has the most amount of users. But just imagine when Coinbase hops into, guys, the amount of trading volume these two giants are going to have, the amount of impact it's going to have on the market, the amount of people that are going to be able to access Turbo is going to be insane. Literally, guys, I was buying Turbo on like MetaMask and things like that on Uniswap like months and months and months ago. I actually got into Turbo at 306 is my price target. So it's up quite a bit from where I am now. You guys are one of the people that are watching me back then. You're also up quite a significant amount. Happy days. Again, 210 overall market cap crypto, but the volume in the last 24 hours is number 46. Which is really exciting. The total supply for this token is 69 billion, guys. Again, it's a pretty good supply, great tokenomics, great. The meme is literally unruggable. You can't get scammed in Turbo because 100% of it, the liquidity pool, I believe the liquidity pool is burnt, right? If I'm not mistaken. From what? Okay, hold on. No taxes contract renounced. Total supply 69 billion. It's a.
So I wanted to point this out. This is Black Widow Phantom. Y'all know what's on the dinner menu for Turbo. We're serving up Turbo roasted bear. That's weird. It's a frog eating bear, but it's roasting beer. So I like it. You like it? I love it. Turbo turn up time. Let's go. Just trying to rebuild my community. Who wants to help rotate the rotisserie? Bear meat is tough and greasy, but under the right circumstances makes a very satisfying meal for survival. Help us roast bears. Interesting. I'm gonna have to try some bear meat. I don't know. If you like it, I love it. Let me know what you guys think. Shout out to Black. Let's go. Phantom. It's Turbo turn up time. Remember, Turbo. Shout out to the Turbo Revolution, the Turbo Toad Army, the Turbo Toad Warriors, and Turbo Turn Up. Let's go. As you know, we cover everything Turbo at the Turbo Toad Central Office. Turbo. So this is the Black Widow. Let's get back to. Did we listen to Gossiper? Actually, let's listen to Roe, then the Gossiper.
YouTube, what's up? It's your boy Crypto J.
Man, getting behind on videos here. Let's get back to Roe.
The crowdfunded launch and all the tokens are in circulation, which is, basically saying there isn't a liquidity pool, right? Obviously, absolutely love that, guys. I think this token has a lot of potential. I think this is going to be one of the blue chip meme coins in this bull run. This is going to be like Shiba Inu or Dogecoin of last bull cycle. And I think this thing is going to rip it to 10, 20, 30 billion dollars in terms of market cap. And again, when it does hit those price targets, it's going to be quite a surreal time, guys. I hope you guys are buying in, August, September time, early September, because this token was at quite a huge discount. Do not wait for the green pumps. Do not wait for the green days to get in. Switch your mindset that when you see red and you see red for a while, it probably means that you should load up, because you want to go against market psychology. Market psychology, if it's greedy, you need to be fearful. If it's fearful that we're going too low, you need to be greedy and start buying up, start accumulating. When FUD comes out, start buying it up, because some good things are about to come. And to be completely honest with you guys, for Turbo, FUD wasn't even coming out. It was just, generic price action, right? No red flags are coming out for this token. There was genuinely nothing. The dev, he's doxed, and he has a 50-minute story explaining how he even made Turbo. There's so many green flags for this token, and I'll be the first to tell you if there was any red flags that came out for Turbo token, I'll be the first one to say it, because listen, I have morals, I have ethics, and I'm not going to do you guys like that, right? But I always encourage you guys to be proactive, do your due diligence, make sure you guys stay up to date with all the information, because if you just wait for YouTubers like me to come up with all the info, you're always going to be a step late, a step behind the curve. Now look at this beautiful demand zone here, guys. Bounced perfectly off it like we've been predicting for a really long time. And if you guys load it up at basically 203, you're already up 100% gain. You've already doubled your money, because now you're at 206. And then boom, as we got to this resistance, the supply area over here, you can see price has been having a hard time breaking from it, but you can see it coming back down to that. It came back down actually to that 205 mark, which again would have been an amazing opportunity for you guys to load up on the retracement. You guys want to be buying on the dips. If it's on the way up, for a correction to get in. Do not chase green candles. Do not chase pumps, because that is how you get wrecked in the market. Buying because you have confirmation bias is one of the worst to go about investing into crypto. And listen, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just somebody who's been in the market since 2017, may have learned a thing or two, may have gotten wrecked in 2017, and may have made some money in 2021. So I'm basically here to help you guys along the way, okay? I don't want you guys to get wrecked. And I think that Turbo was probably one of the most risk-averse meme coin plays that you could get into. Turbo is the first AI-generated meme coin launched with just a $69 budget. It stands for excellence in Web3 innovation, 100% community-owned. Again, guys, go follow them on Twitter if you are already holders of them, or if you want to be getting in, if you want to be participating with the token, or you want to do your due diligence and spread awareness for this token like I've been doing, because I'm bullish on Turbo. So I'm going to start talking about it and spreading. That's why I make videos every single day. What you guys could do is like the video, share the video, talk about it on Twitter, just like a lot of the followers have been doing. One of the best, most proactive teams. Also, new listing alert, Turbo, Alio are now live on BYDeFi. Link to them will be down in the description, guys. I have partnered with BYDeFi, so I will link it down below. Use my referral code so you guys get a free $100 to trade with, okay? Absolutely super cool, guys. It's amazing that they're still coming out with more and more exchange listings. Turbo, bullish triangle, breakout. As you can see here, this bullish triangle it looks like honestly we closed above it, and we are heading to the moon from here, fellas. I can't wait for October, because I believe in October we're going to be blowing by a penny, and I really look forward to it. Turbo got the strongest chart in crypto versus ETH, plus just got listed on Binance last week. Now listen, if this thing ran up to a penny, almost to a penny, without any major listings, without Kraken, without Binance, without a lot of these huge tier 1 listings, imagine the potential it has now when we're actually starting to fight the bull market again, when we're going into Q4 2024. Just imagine how much we could really run with all the momentum that we have behind this token, guys. I'm very excited for this token, super excited to see where it could potentially play out. And I'm curious, where do you guys think this token is going to go to? Comment down below where your price targets are, and if you think that, or actually let me know if you hold anything else. A lot of my followers actually only hold Turbo. And listen, I would advise against it. Diversify your portfolio, because even the Bible says in Ecclesiastes, you are a fool if you, basically put all your eggs into one basket. So don't be that person. If you enjoyed this video, fellas, and you want to talk.
So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And go ahead and check out Rose's video. So moving forward, this is Gassapar. Let's check his video out real quick. And I guess we'll end with this J Talks Crypto.
I am, as usual, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. So the big question now, is it too late to buy Turbo? Okay, everybody's asking because of the fact that we got that Binance listing. Turbo is pumping, and people want to know, okay, is there something more to come?
So is it too late to buy Turbo? I don't think so. I think you did miss some of the pump, but I think you still have plenty of time to get in and make money. And just DCA in. This is not financial advice. This is just for entertainment purposes, because I'm trying to rebuild my community. But seriously, don't sell your kidneys or remortgage your house or sell your car to buy turbo. You have plenty of time to get in before turbo pumps. So just take it easy breezy and slowly buy into turbo. It's not financial advice. Wait for a dip. If you are going to make a major purchase, don't do it while it's green. Wait for that pullback. As somebody said earlier, this is the fake out before the breakout. Let's go. Turbo turn up time. Back to Gassiper. Gassiper.
And I'm going to have to make it very, very clear. Guys, if you don't start really opening your eyes and seeing that this coin is going to go very, very far, but it still has so much to do, which is an advantage to us because it will get those pumps. First of all, let me start off by saying community sentiment, 93%. 93%. I haven't heard any bearish news, haven't heard any negativity about turbo. Everybody's talking about turbo. And you know what I like about it? It's fresh. It's new. It hasn't been around for that long, ladies and gentlemen. Okay. Which gives it that extra edge. Okay. Because people are trying to find that new thing, that new interest. So definitely out of the new coins going into the altcoin season, which we're expecting, I would say, you know, next year, it is going to go wild. Sitting at $400 million market cap with a target of around, I would say, 20 to 50 billion market cap. I'm pretty sure, you know, that should be convincing for you guys. If you want to see these big, big multipliers like a 50x, 60x, 100x, this is the one. Low risk for sure, okay? Because this thing is moving like no tomorrow. Whenever Bitcoin moves, it follows Bitcoin. It follows its big brother. When things are going well, turbo is green. And with that Binance listing, guys, all the exchanges are going to be coming in. You will see that dominoes effect. So it is a matter of time until we're going to start doubling and tripling and quadrupling. So why wouldn't you have your money in here right now? Imagine you put in $1,000. It is very likely that this thing is going to double it very, very quickly. But I'm not looking for the doubles. I'm not looking for the triples. I'm looking for the big, big numbers. So you should know your game plan as well, okay? Because some of you may not really understand what you're looking for. But the exchanges are going to be coming in. A lot of them. We had the biggest, the big, big top boss. And the boss is followed by all his others, okay, below him. And the others are going to really, really give it a lot of exposure. On top of it, guys, the volume that Turbo is doing is insane. I mean, we're always doing over 100 million. Look at this. When we look at volume, look at all the other cryptos out there, okay? If we went to the memes sector, look at these. When I look at volume here, not many are doing over 100 million. Bonk is higher market cap, is doing less than 100 million. Okay. Bet is doing only 20 million, right? Cat in Dog's World is doing 81 million. Book of Meme, 109 million. Yet they are so much higher than Turbo in terms of, this chart. Okay. I'm not saying Turbo is at the bottom, but it still has basically space to grow. So definitely a very, very powerful meme, or very, very promising. I think we're going to be making a lot of money from this. And on top of it, it has established itself. No one can say this is a flop. First of all, let me make it very clear to you. And I hope you remember this. A lot of KOLs, okay, these key opinion leaders, the influencers, have Turbo in their bag. They have it in their Discords, in their Telegrams. Everybody's talking about Turbo. They are telling people to buy Turbo because they know this thing is going to pump like no tomorrow. They're going to win out of it, not financially, but also with reputation. I would never talk about something if I didn't think it's going to go up. Okay. And I think Turbo is really going to go up. That's why I keep on producing videos all the time about Turbo. It is your duty to actually subscribe and turn that notifications bell on, because I am going to show you how important Turbo is, how strong it is, how powerful it is. There is so much to expect from Turbo. I mean, just typing in Turbo coin in Google, look at this. Look how much news we're getting. It's insane. I mean, it's absolutely insane. And it's always being put out there with all the other big names. So for sure, this one is to watch, and you are not late. In fact, I would say you are early. Make the most out of this.
definitely early to turbo, right? It is just starting the turbo turn up time, right? We are just early and still not even
because
deep
you
in the
don't know
turbo.
what other opportunities there are out there. But this one is, I would say, almost guaranteed, almost 100% guaranteed. That's how crazy, my words sound, but it's true. That's how I feel. That's how many people feel. Okay. So happy investing, right? Don't get this.
I was just reading an article in the background why turbo is set to hit a 1 billion market cap. I'm just trying to rebuild my community. You see that 1 billion market cap soon. Wow. I'm going to check that article out. That's actually very interesting. You should make that just
Discouraged. There's no fight around this. This stuff is really going to start pumping, and the markets are getting very exciting. We're going to the election year. Wow, incredible. Okay, election times. So either way, guys, if you've got any thoughts, leave them.
So shout out to Gaston Pair. And moving forward is Jake Talks Crypto. But if you notice, a lot of the subscribers in the 40,000, 50,000, 100,000 are starting to talk about turbo. When we were at the 100, 200 mark, and then 4,000, 2,000, 4,000, 7,000 mark, then we're at the 7,000, 10,000, 20,000. Now we're getting to 40, 50, and just a matter of time before the word gets out about turbo.
Jay coming at you guys with yet another Jay Talks Crypto. If you're brand new to my channel, hit the subscribe button as well as the bell notification. I do my best each and every day to give you guys the top picks in cryptocurrency. And guys, nothing has changed. Nothing has changed. Guys, I want to give you a real quick price update on Turbo Coin, but first we have to talk about Bitcoin, guys. I just talked about it in my last video, the fact that we could see a little bit of sell-off into this weekend, right? But how much sell-off are we going to see? I know we're seeing a little bit of red today, and I know a lot of people are wondering how much red can we see? And guys, I just want to show you guys a couple things on the chart. Again, it's nothing new. If you were subscribed to the channel, you would have caught this yesterday because we just talked about it yesterday. But as you can see, this pattern right here, looking a little bit similar to this pattern right here, right? We just created a similar thing where we touched this top. We saw this drop down. So maybe this will drop down. It's, again, still drop down to create a lower high. So that is still bullish. This is what we want. We want to create lower highs on Bitcoin. That's a good sign that we are starting to round out and create a recovery. So if we do see a little bit of price capitulation, hopefully we'll still hold support on some of these levels down here. And as you could see also on the 1-year chart, we're looking pretty good too. So Bitcoin is not looking too bad. It's looking like we're starting to round out like we talked about. Also on the all-time chart, we've been talking about this giant bull flag that is forming, right? Also this cup and handle pattern that is forming. So there's a lot of indicators that we are going to see some highs for the crypto market in general. So I do feel like even though we're seeing a little bit of volatility today, even though we might see even again this thing drop down and create some lower highs, even that could mean like 20-30% dip on some of your favorite altcoins. But you know what, guys? This is still a zone of accumulation right now. I feel like we're still extremely early. Again, I'm not telling you to go out and spend all your money in cryptocurrency. I'll tell you actually the exact opposite. It's not a good idea to over leverage into cryptocurrency. It's highly volatile. Also, I'm not a financial advisor, so I have no weight in this. But as you can see right here, we're looking pretty good on Bitcoin. So, and again, this bull flag looking pretty good on Bitcoin as well. So I do expect possible capitulation into the end of this month, maybe even like maybe we see a little bit of more like maybe another retest of like this 60K even. But hopefully we can continue, hopefully we don't drop below 60K. Hopefully, I mean, I do think that there's a good chance that we revisit it, but hopefully we don't drop below it. There's always a chance that we don't revisit it, right? Because if you look here too on oh man, I just had it up. This 1 month chart. Look, what do we also have here? we have a cup and handle playing out. This is a bullish play right here. So this is an indicator that we could see some significant upside if this does decide it wants to start trending up. So again, we talked about the fact that that 64K range is very critical. But we did drop off of like what 63. We jumped all the way to 63, and then we started dropping down. So hopefully we can start finding some support on Bitcoin and start seeing some big bull rally. And again, I know this is a Turbo Coin video. We're gonna get into Turbo Coin, guys. Don't worry. I just want to show you this fear greed index, though, is ticking up. Again, we were at a 50 yesterday. We're at a 51 today. The crypto market is down, but we're starting to see a lot more volume, a lot more shorts, a lot more longs, and a lot more institutions and stuff like that picking up these coins. All right, now we're getting into Turbo Coin, guys. Without further ado, because I know you guys came here for Turbo. You want to see what's going on. As you guys can see, Turbo Coin is starting to capitulate with Bitcoin right now. Not looking too bad still, though. Still creating some higher lows on Turbo Coin on the 1 hour chart. So the 2 hour chart also looking a little funky, looking like okay, maybe 1 and 2 hours starting to look like we're breaking down a little bit, but not too concerned, because if you look a little more macro, 4 hour looking like we're still in an uptrend, right? And then if you're looking on our 12 hour too, what we got going on the 12 hour, right? We had a cup and handle playing out, but it looks like we do have a little more support down here. We also have still our cup and handle playing out, right? Because if we look even at our first of all, you look at our 3 day, 3 days, super nice, right? Cup and handle still playing out right here. But it does look like it could be volatile, right? So hopefully Turbo Coin can continue having this volume that it's had. I feel good about it, definitely. If you look at the weekly chart, it just looks like we've already touched. Look at this. Look at the RSI, right? This is the RSI. This is what I talked about, the fact that we were creating this bull flag with Turbo Coin as well. The fact that we were already breaking out. This looks like a clear breakout on the 1 week chart. Again, RSI looking super awesome. This is a great looking chart. In my opinion, this is a awesome looking chart. The only time I would be concerned about this is if it wanted to reject off of some of these upper zones up here. Then I would think, okay, possible shoulder, head, shoulder. Maybe this thing can see some downside. But right now, all in all, the way that it's looking on this Turbo Coin chart, in my opinion, this is bullish. This is bullish. So, but again, things are always dependent, I feel, on Bitcoin. So if Bitcoin does decide that it wants to drop down and retest those 60K ranges, what's that going to mean for a coin like Turbo Coin? Is Turbo going to see some significant sell-off? We'll see. How much sell-off can it really even see? I guess we will find out. But what do you guys think? What's your price predictions for Turbo? I definitely want to know. Let me know in the comments below. How much Turbo you guys are holding. Again, this is the Turbo chart right here. As you guys can see, 385 million market cap with a 38,000 holders. So a lot of big price action. Also, we talked about this top holder count, guys. 60% of the supply belongs to these guys. And who are these guys? These guys are some of the biggest exchanges in cryptocurrency. So again, they're buying these meme coins right now. There's a reason why they're buying these meme coins right now. I feel like they're buying these meme coins right now because they feel like we are going to see this super cycle. Again, look at the fear greed index. We talked about it. It's ticking up still, right? I was talking about the fact that we were in this orange. I like this zone right here. In fact, we were really oversold right here. This was really a great time to be dollar cost averaging. We've been talking about it on the channel, guys, for like the past month. Like not even from the past month, guys. Like literally almost called perfectly the top in March. I thought it was 71, shot up to 74. We were way overbought on the RSI. I already knew that was going to happen. I told you the sell-off was going to take time, right? Way up here. I was telling you guys, this was looking like the top. Too much greed up here. It was like 91 up here. I remember this. It was like 91. We dropped down. We We were getting to some levels and people were thinking, oh, 66, 60, this is going to be like the end of it. I'm like, no, guys, this is not how a correction feels. It's going to be painful, right? A lot of altcoins bleeding, some things not recovering.
Good morning, Pip. What's going on? I was just about to shut it down.
It's just been carnage, right? And now, you know, we've entered into really good.
How are things going across the pond? What's going on your end? Just talking about Turbo's on the verge of this next push up, right? It's about to pump. This next pump is about to take off. Turbo, turbo, turbo. Let's go. Let's go. It's turbo turn up time. Remember, turbo, turbo, turbo.
Accumulation zone. In my opinion, I feel like we're going to start seeing this thing start ripping up. But what we want to be careful of and what we want to make sure is that, you know, look what happened over here, right? You see how we touched this orange over here. We jumped up, touched this yellow, and then we had this little drop temporarily where we touched this orange. A little bit of fear. We're thinking we're going to go down for a long time. And we shot up like crazy. That is what can possibly happen here, but I don't really think that will happen. It can possibly happen. But again, if that happens, that would set us back a little bit of time. And I feel like things are aligned right now for November. You know, next month is November. We just had our interest rates go down. So there's a lot of bullish activity in the market. I don't see this happening again, but maybe, you know, it would have to be some real black swan event, I feel like, to send the markets back down. But I feel like right now we are in the midst of a recovery, guys. I'm saying that to say that I feel like we're in the midst of recovery. What do you guys think, though? Let me know. Again, I'm not a financial advisor, not a professional. So, yeah, but again, guys, also, I kind of breezed over it, but if you want to join that Telegram group, guys, I have a private Telegram group. If you want to trade with your boy Crypto J, all you got to
I'm really talking. What's up, Life Cycle? What's up? Just finished that video from
Went
John.
live from my phone
and
before,
this
but
video just came from Freeman Finance. I think he's talking about the hacking from earlier. What's good? What up, Life Cycle? And I was looking for a Zap Franco video for today, but I will play this. What is this? Play this video from Freeman Finance real quick.
but I just want to give you all guys an update on crypto scams, guys, because my X account did get hacked. So I want to give everyone a little brief backstory on what happened and when you can expect to see me back, because it will be a little while. So yes,
I did talk to Freeman. He said everything's good, just waiting to get his account back. And I talked to Turbo Token. They said they have some security measures in place, so things are going to be okay for them as well. Just want to make sure the community is safe. And if you do get something from Freeman Finance Crypto, it is not him and it is not the Turbo Toe community. So be wary. Let us know if you see anything. Stay vigilant. If you see something, say something so we can act, right? It's not a problem until it's a problem, and you don't want this problem. But yeah, let us know if you see something or if anything pops up out of the ordinary. I'm not expecting sizable pump in October or November, likely a dip in the 1st of December before really starting to move. I think there's going to be a slight pump in October. They just cut the interest rate and the elections are coming. Both candidates are talking about crypto. So I think there's going to be a little interest coming back in. You're right. There's going to be a pullback in the December and then it's going to pump, but it's going to pump for, I think, a little bit. Bitcoin back to 54K before things happen. 54K. What's Bitcoin at now, actually? 54K. I'm thinking it's finally going to push up to 70K. Yeah. Okay. So we're in still 60s. Okay. And let's get back to Freeman Finance.
Yesterday around 9 a.m., I was contacted about having a meeting with a company that wanted to do some kind of like AMA type thing. And they wanted to meet with me along with the CEO. And so I told them, I'm going to church. I can't talk right now, but we can meet in a couple of hours, guys. Well, so then I met with them at 11, and it was a Zoom link. And I tried to download the Zoom link on my PC, the same one that I record all of my content on. Normally, I'm not sitting here on a phone in a hotel room. But so I did that, and it didn't work. And I was telling the guys, hey, this isn't working. Can we try Telegram? And Telegram did not work with them because they said that their CEO couldn't make the Telegram. So I was like, okay, whatever. And they're like, we both have Mac. Can we use Mac? And so I went and grabbed my laptop, and that's what I typically use in my portable studio whenever I'm traveling like this. And I tried to do it on that, and it didn't work. And this was at around noontime Central Standard Time. Well, when that didn't work, I just told them we'd have to meet another time. And I went off with my family. We went grocery shopping and just enjoying the day. Well, so then this morning, I woke up and I'm trying to post good morning and good night on. And I think it's good to tell the community I love them, right? Well, when I woke up, I didn't have access to my X account, guys. And then I started seeing that at 12:30 in the morning, my email associated with X was changed to some email that I don't know. It has like asterisks on it and everything. And then they had tried to get into my Google account. Now that did not work. Two-factor authentication really saved me there, but I still don't have access to my X account, guys. That is Turbo posted about it, that, you know, I was hacked. I did a video. I sent it to Roshan. But the fact of the matter is, guys, that these scams are getting better and better. It looks like a legit Zoom link. It fooled me, and I'm so sorry that people are falling victim to this, guys. And I've heard of people that had their crypto wallets drained potentially, and it is just horrible, guys. We can't keep our crypto on hot.
Definitely don't keep your crypto on web exchanges. Get you cold storage, no hot storage wallets. And also, as you mentioned, two-factor authentication, just to be safe out there, guys. And make sure you're not clicking on links. If you do, make sure you know where the link is. As far as the Zoom link, that's actually a new one for me, but I probably would have clicked as well, or have them actually probably would have signed in on a different machine, just because my Zoom is on my personal computer versus on the one that does the videos. That's a weird place to stop him at. Life cycle, I don't think he's a scammer. I don't, I doubt it. Right? What does it gain for him to get the page hacked? We don't even get paid to make Turbo videos.
Wallets, and we can't click links, but it looked like a normal Zoom link, like what I would always click to meet with somebody. So I've got a new rule. I'm not clicking on no links, and if I meet with someone, I am sending the link for the meeting. But guys, it's been a crazy day. I don't know if the X count is going to be back. Content won't be coming out for, I'm out of town now, at least a few days, guys, because I've got to, when I get home, I've got to take my PC, take the laptop. I got to go get them completely wiped out. I think my phone's good. I even tried the link from my phone, but I have an Apple iPhone, and it really is pretty secure, I think. But guys, this is just an unfortunate situation, but it's a reminder that everyone has to stay vigilant or diligent whenever it comes to this kind of stuff, because they are trying to prey on anyone. They're messaging people saying, hey, do you want to do an AMA? Well, who wouldn't want to do an AMA with Turbo? So lots of people want to click on it, guys. So from the bottom of my heart, I am truly sorry for anyone that got affected. I feel like it's a responsibility of me not to let this happen, and I obviously did let it happen. They got into the X account, guys, and I don't know if it was an attack on me or if it was an attack on Turbo or if it was just an attack on crypto, period, because there's a very good post out, and I can't share it because I don't have an X right now, but it's talking about this type of scam, and it looks just like a Zoom link. But there's all kinds of, scams out there, guys. It's not just this Zoom type link. You see airdrop things all the time. Like when I'm in Telegram, I see that, oh, airdrop, click this, click that. And I've even gotten got by that before, guys. So I just wanted to make a quick update video this evening. I was trying to go offline, and because I didn't know if my phone was hacked, I've changed passwords to absolutely everything that I think could have been compromised, guys. And I'm just, from the bottom of my heart, I'm very sorry that we're going through this. Let me see. TJ, the blockchain homie, fire. Don't trust anyone. Yeah, they were close on my end, but I'm hoping you get it back. My boy Cisco, thumbs up. Day Flowers, dude, they got me this morning. I tried to. It didn't work for me either, but I should have never clicked that attack on crypto. Yeah, man, it's definitely attack on crypto. I mean, I've never even went live like this before, so this is pretty cool. Maybe I should start doing this more often, but guys, I'm sorry. Like, they are after everyone, and the thing is that they prey on the weak, and they prey on people that need it the most, like if you're reaching out to someone that is a little younger on YouTube or younger on X or whatever, and like, hey, would you like to come do a turbo AMA? Of course, who wouldn't want to do that, right? So people will click on that kind of stuff, just like me. They're like, hey, we've got a good partnership opportunity for you. The CEO would like to meet you. They use all these keywords. So, and my wife was getting on me. She's like, Michael, spend a family day together. And I was like, oh, let me just take this one more meeting, and then we're go do whatever we have to do. Go to Costco, spend money, and buy groceries and a whole bunch of food that the kids will eat us out of house and home. So I should have listened to my wife. Don't tell her I said that. Don't tell her I said that. But the fact of the matter is, I don't care if I don't ever get the X account back. I really don't. I wish it would just fall off the face of the earth right now so people would stop getting potentially scammed. That's the worst part, is that it is still up and it's still verified. So guys, asking everybody, please go to X and post and report that profile, guys. I started messaging all kinds of people this morning, just trying copy and paste. I got hacked. Trying to get it out to as many people as I possibly could. Roshan, shout out to Ro. He posted it first thing in the morning, a video that I sent. Turbo, shout out to my beloved Turbo Toad Token, the best meme coin of all time. They posted it as well, guys. But we've got to keep reporting this page because it was taken down momentarily. It was blocked. And then within like 30 minutes, it was back up. And they completely changed the email address. So I don't know if they got access to my email. So I talked to someone that's familiar with this type of scam, and they say it goes through the browser history. So maybe they were able to get my password for my Google account or access into my email, but they weren't able to change the email address because of two-factor authentication, guys. I really don't know. It's crazy, though. The scams are super sophisticated. If only these people would spend their time and energy doing good things for the world, we would be in such a better place. Like, the people that make these scams are obviously very, very smart. Like, it's not easy to make something like that. There's no way that it's easy to make something like that, but they do it to harm the world, and it's an attack on crypto, and it's an attack on every single one of us. Let's see who else we got. Tony Mays, hope you're doing well, brother. Crypto now or never, all good, brother. You DM me, but it looks suspicious, man. I made sure Turbo contacted you because we've been talking about doing an AMA, and I was like, I do not want him to get gat, man. I seen that. Share. Hopefully when you're all set up and back in, Turbo is at an all-time high. Unless you're talking about the all-time high coming tomorrow, guys. I'm not trying to take forever to get back, but, this is definitely not a video that I wanted to do. It is not. I hate that this happened. I've never went live like this on my phone. I see a lot of people do it, and it's kind of cool. It was super easy, so much easier than sitting in front of the camera and editing a video and everything. But the fact of the matter is, I just wanted to get the word out to you guys on what happened. Now that I'm pretty sure my device is fine, I was looking up, Googling things like that iPhone is very secure on iOS, and I talked to someone else who scanned that link, and they said that it was like a desktop type hack. It wasn't meant for these type of things. But guys, if you ever do click on anything, change all your passwords, and two-factor authentication is a must on absolutely everything. And don't use same passwords. Use a random password generator or something that's very, very complex, because they come after everybody. All they want is cheap, free money. They don't care what's going on in your life. They don't care what you're going through. They don't care how hard you work to make that happen, guys. So I'm about to sign off. Like I said, I'm so sorry this happened, guys. It's your boy Freeman, Finance and Crypto. I love you all. I'm grateful for every single one of you from the bottom of my heart. And we'll be back.
So that was a quick video from Freeman Finance as he's talking about the hack and what happened to him. So hopefully he gets things back together. So shout out to Freeman Finance and Pip. You said you're updating the spreadsheet, which is cool. But I'll let you guys get back to it. This is BTM signing out. Remember, peace and hair grease. And let's get back to the money. And as always, stay dangerous. But peace out. And I guess I'll see you guys tomorrow at noon, which is 11 p.m. Central Standard Time, Texas time. And Turbo Turnup. I guess we'll do Kaspa again tomorrow. Actually, KRC20 tokens. Let me know what you think. If you're in it, what you got, how much you're buying. Saminsky sub. What is this guy? Chomps is supposed to get this listing on L Bank tomorrow. So I want to see how that affects the price action and if there is any buzz about it. So let me see if that L Bank listing is here or if there's any mention of it. What is this? This is lemon. I don't know what that is. Yeah, there it is actually. So this is Sumps 4,000K Sumps giveaway 20 September 24th through August 1st UTC time. So I guess they go live tomorrow. But thanks for joining. Thanks for sharing, and subscribing. And peace out.